Evening all, it's Ian at DIY Home and Gardening. Just a quick update on how the melons are doing, show you what the next stage is for me, and yeah, how we're progressing. Let's spin around and have a look, shall we? So the melons are growing pretty well. I sowed the seed quite early on. That's the variety. Charentais, which I hadn't grown before. Got given 3 seeds and all 3 germinated, so yeah, they came up. I had potted them from the 9cm to 10.5cm pot, and now to the 1 litre pot, or 13cm, and now I'm going to go up to this, which is a 2 litre pot, and then I shall cane it and tie it, ready for growing on essentially, and then the next phase. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. So look at that, it's got a good root ball to it. Just put some fresh compost in the bottom of the pot. Need a little bit more actually. So get that in. Plant in so it's roughly centralised, and then I'll fill it up and get the cane in. Right, at this stage what I've done is I've positioned the new cane, so it's a 3-foot cane, positioned that in just to the back end of the root ball, firmed it into place, and I've cut off the ties that were on the melon plant previously so that I could remove the blue split cane. Now what I'm going to do is start tying the melon plant all the way up the cane, again using some natural twine. Wants to be tight, but not so tight that it cuts into the stem. So I'll do that now and then show you once it's finished. And there you have it, that's the 3 melons all tied up now, so you can just see. So what I tend to do is I use the ridges of the bamboo cane just to help secure the tie, and just work all my way to the top. So yeah, I'm just going to grow them straight up this year, and then try and support them up something higher at a later stage. So yeah, that's where we're at on the 2nd of June. I would say they're looking pretty good. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it slightly interesting. Look forward to seeing you again soon, and if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe or send me a message. Speak to you soon. Bye.